Hey everyone, welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to sign up with HostingR. If you are starting your first website, this video is perfect for you. And don't forget to check the description below. I added the best offer link so you can get HostingR at a low price. So let's get started. First, click the link in the description and it will take you to the HostingR official website. When you open the page, you will see a different plans here. So just click on this choose plan. Now you will see a page where you can choose how long you want to keep your plan, like 1 month, 12 month, 24 or 48. The longer you choose, the cheaper it becomes per month, and you will get a free domain for 1 year with this same package. You need to create an account by clicking on this continue. Now I'm just logging on with my Google account, or you can sign up with your email, Google account or Facebook. It's very simple. Next step, fill this form, your name, your country and your all these addresses. Click on continue, and from here choose your payment method. HostingR accept debit card, credit card, PayPal and some other options depending on your country. Then choose your payment method and add your card details here. So after filling this form, just click on this submit payment. Once payment is done, your account is ready to use. HostingR will show a setup screen where you can connect your domain, or you can buy a new one for free if you don't have one. Then you can install WordPress or any other tool with one click. That's it. You have now signed up with HostingR and you are ready to start your website. So now you know how to sign up with HostingR. Fast and easy, right? If you want a special discount, remember to check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. I will see you in the next video.